Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Maria Monica Sitoving and nice to meet you. So today me and Nanay, we are going to Ate Colin's book launching at SM Mega Mall. Check this out, thank you. Hey guys, nandito kami sa Max Restaurant at SM Mega Mall. Tita Josette! Ay, video!
Vlog muna, vlog.
Okay guys, ito si Tita Jo at saka yung bisa ko. Peito, kaway ka oh. Kain po tayo. Happy birthday to you.
And 1, 2, 3!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Wow, na-surprise po si Nanay. Wow, may birthday cake. Hi guys! Tapos na kumain sa Max Restaurant. Ngayon, take a picture, taking. Lakad-lakad po. Ate Kilin, video. Tawanan pa kami po habang naglalakad. Guys, dito kami sa Coffee Bean. Dito lahat ng bisita. At Nanay and Ate Susan. Thank you po sa pag-order ng blueberry cheesecake, Ate Colleen. At saka may mga ibang drinks, milkshake, tsaka kape. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Philippine Book Festival. Sa Ate Colleen, Ate.